Meditation is like a workout for your mind, just like exercise strengthens your body. Even spending a few minutes meditating each day can help you think more clearly, stay focused, and spark your creativity. Over time, meditation doesn't just ease stress and anxiety. It also helps you build resilience for dealing with life's challenges. For the next 11 minutes, commit to letting go of any unfinished tasks, worries, or concerns. Take this time to reconnect with the calm and peace that's already within you. Start by finding a posture that's both comfortable and keeps you alert. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on the ground with a cushion under your hips so they're slightly higher than your knees. This way, your body stays stable with minimal effort from your muscles. Keep your back straight, but try not to stiffen up. Rest your hands on your lap or thighs, whatever feels right. When you're ready, either close your eyes or softly focus on a spot in front of you. Let's start with a simple breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth like you're letting out a sigh. Start breathing in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now just return to your normal breathing. Take a moment to really feel and connect with the present moment. Picture yourself sitting here in this room right now. Give yourself permission to let go of any to-do lists, worries, or thoughts about the past or future. Gently say to yourself, I release. I release. I release. With every exhale, imagine all the tiredness leaving your body. With each breath out, feel your stress and worries drifting away. Now shift your focus to the sensations in your body. Look for any spots where you're holding tension. Stress tends to settle into your muscles. Pay attention to how your face feels, starting with the muscles around your eyes. Gently relax those eye muscles. Now, focus on your jaw and the muscles in your cheeks. Let your jaw and cheek muscles loosen up. Shift your attention to your neck and shoulders. These spots often hold on to stress. See if you can release that tension in your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop and feel lighter. Take a moment to sense your whole body being here right now. Remember, there's nothing you need to do or anywhere you need to be. Just pause and come back to the present. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how your body just breathes on its own without any effort. How do you know you're breathing? Can you feel your belly rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale? Do you sense a slight movement in your chest? Picture your breath like the ocean tide, rising and falling over and over. Now, shift your focus to the feeling of air passing through your nostrils. Can you feel the cool air coming in and the warmer air as you breathe out? If you don't notice it, that's totally fine. Just be aware that it's okay not to feel it right now. Now, focus on your right nostril and notice how the air feels as you breathe in and out. Can you feel it gently moving inside your nostril? Now switch your attention to your left nostril. Where do you notice your breath the most? Keep following the flow of your breath. Is it fast or slow? Shallow or deep? Being able to observe your breathing helps you tune in to how you're feeling, whether you're tense or relaxed. At some point, your mind might wander, and that's totally normal. Getting distracted doesn't mean you fail. In fact, every time it happens, it's a chance to practice letting go. When you catch your mind drifting, gently remind yourself, it's just a thought. It's just a thought. Then let it go and come back to your breath. Keep paying attention to your breath. Where does each inhale start? Where does each exhale end? And notice the small pause between them. Stay with your breath until you hear the bell. When it's time to finish, take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice the room around you. What colors stand out? How do you feel right now? How does it compare to how you felt before you started? You can do this meditation when you wake up, before bed, or any time during the day when you're feeling stressed and need a moment to reset. Wishing you peace and calm. See you next time.